Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Youyou. Welcome to my fancy closet. Today I'm gonna show you a closet video I was inspired by great designer Christian Lacroix. In this short video, I will teach you using as much details as I can and show you all the materials needed, even the back eyelets you see and the silhouette created by myself. Hope you enjoy it. First part, creating the trim. Just draw the silhouette you like and the trim on the mannequin. So I create two major trim on the front butt side. Second part, patterns. I prepared 6 pieces of gray clothes and draw the weft and warp line. Then pin the central front line and align the bust line. Make the first pattern stable and then take another one. Align bust line and central front line. Then pin it, make sure it's flat, not puckering. Pin these two together and along the trim we created. Sorry, my assistant cat did nothing, only show off. And be careful, don't hurt yourself. Repeat these steps. Align the bust line and pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and voila! Repeat this step, pin and align the yellow tape.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that.
I want a corset very tight and show my body shape, so make sure it sticks to the body well. Then remove extra fabric. Okay, back bodies. It's much easier than front side. Here, because I am really lazy, I didn't pin the tape, but I create directly imagined line and pin the stitch joints in. Turn upside down the patterns and create the silhouette you like by any long tape. And also mark the tag so I know the position and I can sew better. Now I draw a line along the tape before removing the tape. Also draw the all stitch joint. I remove all the needles and I got patterns. Also, I copy the patterns again on the white paper. Keep 1 centimeter seam allowance all around the patterns. Then I sew all the patterns. Remember, tag, align the tag. I want to know this small markup is not far from what I imagined and I designed. I'm pretty satisfied what I made, so I'm gonna continue. Then prepare all the patterns and yeah. You can double up your fabric and cut both sides at once. Cut one set for the outer fabric and one set for lining fabric. It's easiest part. Choose a proper tool to help you get the pattern quickly. If you got bored or tired, it's a big ball of instant noodles like me. Keep you energetic. The third part is the easiest part. I only stick on the top edge and bottom hem. I advise to stick all layers of pattern to maintain the corset flat and stable. Align all the mark I made and sew all the seam allowance. Split all the seam allowance and iron it. Also iron out the surface. Adding the interfacing tape before sewing fishbone tunnels. Fifth part, the fishbone tunnels. I chose this 1 cm with satin tape and sew one end of the edges on each side of seam allowance. Try the fishbone can fit in. Make sure everything is perfect, then we're gonna combine the lining with our fishbone inserted. I prefer full lined. Finish the lining and press it by iron wheel. Lay the lining panels and facing panels right side together. Insert a fishbone into the channels and finish the bottom hem. The binding to make a clean finish on the back plackets. I cut 4 cm with this Bayer tape and place 4 fault line, edge to edge, and sew 1 cm seam allowance. Cover the joint seam and sew the hidden stitches. Do the binding at top edge and bottom hem as well. I choose 2.8 cm with the satin tape. You can buy it on the AliExpress or Taobao. The last part, back eyelets. I punch the hole by a hole puncher and a hammer. Then punch the metal eyelets again to cover the hole. Also, I add the black tape to cover my nipples, but it depends if you want to show your nipples. Okay, let's take a look final fit. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments or email me. See you next time!